Hey J fam, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be talking about the hot tools and reviewing that. So stay tuned and keep watching. In my hair I already have my Redken heat protectant, which I love. I also have some argan, however you pronounce it, magic split-ins. I always put this in my hair when I'm doing curly hair or blowing it out or styling it in any way. My hair is usually super dry. I like to add some castor oil, which I already did, and then I just slicked my hair back today. I brushed it through, so now it's basically time to part it and blow it out. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. I've been looking for something like this. It has the ow, my nail. It has the detachable, which I already opened. There's the top part. The only one I've ever seen like this was Dyson, and Dyson, ooh, a little bit out the budget. But this I seen on Kalani's story. If you don't know who Kalani is, sorry. If you don't know who Kalani is, she is a musician. And it was like her hairstylist who was doing her hair, and yeah, she was basically promoting it. So I was like, perfect timing. So there's this one, and then this, which see, you just inserted it there. I love when they put bags inside of a bag. Do you guys say bag or bag? Let me know. I say bag. My mom says bag. My aunt says bag. I think my cousins say bag. I say bag. I don't know why. I always said bag. She gotta get the bag. Take the twisty part. Okay. This is cute. The color purple and gold just gives me rich royalty vibes, like queen, like bougie queen, classy. I like this. I'm gonna go ahead and plug it in. I'm gonna use this one first. See how that goes. Okay, so there's a little button right here to pull it down and to lock it, so it'll show right here what it looks like. There's an open lock and a closed lock. So what you do, and then this will push up when it's locked in, and then to turn it on, you twist that part. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and part my hair. I usually do have blowout cream, but I ran out and I ordered some, but it still hasn't gotten here yet, so I'm waiting on that. Yeah, so the blowout cream I usually use is by Monat. I think I'm pronouncing that right. It's pretty pricey, but it does my hair justice. So I'm just brushing my hair out. I already have the product in there. The round brush I usually use, the blow dry round brush I usually use, is by Revlon, and it's kind of like this but bigger. So yeah, we're gonna use this first. I'm gonna put it on high heat. I think the air comes out of this part. This is like a regular brush. And then on the end, there's like some bristles there. That's actually really cool. I feel like it's drying my hair really fast. My bun keeps falling down though, so I'm just gonna clip it. Purple's matching the theme. But I'm like, it's super shiny already. Okay. Oh my god! I am amazed. No wonder why Kalani's hair always looks good. Okay, my hair never has like this much shine and body. Like it's usually kind of poofy. But oh my gosh, and this is going by pretty fast. I'm loving this. I'm loving this. Okay, I'm gonna finish it up a little bit because I still have some curls there. But oh my gosh, this, like, it's so shiny. Body, stiff wear. Okay. You do have to be careful because this part gets hot up here. If you hold it up here, you gotta hold it like down here, which doesn't feel right to me. It feels kind of bulky a little bit, like thick for my hand. My hands are kind of small, so it kind of feels kind of thick. Where up here I get a good grip, but it gets hot right there, so. But oh my goodness, girl. I don't even know, like I didn't even put in my after serum. When I'm done like blow drying and straightening my hair, I like to put in my after serum, which is by, it's Paris. Kerastase? I can't pronounce stuff. But it's a serum, the Serum Therapist. I love this stuff, it smells so good. I was getting my hair done and they put me on. So I got it and I love it. It is pricey, but it's worth it. Yeah, and it's like I didn't even put that in and my hair is already like good. Like, who is she? Okay, next section. I'm gonna basically speed up this process now. And do the rest of my hair with that, and then at the end I'll go in with this. So I'll put that to the side. Okay, my hair is straightened for the most part. I didn't want to do it all the way. It's pretty straight, but it's not like super straight because I want to go in and style it with this. So that's what I'm gonna do. This is cramping my hand a little bit just because my hand can't fit around it so much. It fits right here perfectly fine, but that gets super hot. As you guys could see with my fingers, this hand is red and clampy. This hand is fine. Same thing with my ears. They started to cook because how hot this gets. So I'd be careful with that. So I'm gonna, you gotta let it cool down before you take the top off because that's hot. Usually you wanna wait because it's hot. I'm not the most patient person, so we're just gonna snap this one on like that. Put the hot one, ooh, she hot to the side so she could cool down. I'm gonna part my hair again. I like that it's big because it covers like a lot of area, like it covers a lot of the hair, which is nice because that took me less than an hour for sure. It was only 15 minutes, maybe like under 20 for sure. And for when I straighten my hair and blow dry it, it takes me over an hour. So this is a lifesaver. I wish I had my blowout cream, but I'm gonna use this. Usually I put this in after, but I'm using a little bit now, which is also good and empty. But it just, I want to add it to the ends mainly. Down here. I'm just adding a small amount. Now it's time for this one. Much more grip for sure. Gorgeous. Stunning. This gets hot. It gets so hot. This part is cool though. It's not hot. This, from here to here, gets hot. And when you put it on the cold, it takes a while to get cold. It doesn't even feel cold. My ear's cooking up. So the cool is nice. Oh, my ear. I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest and speed up this process. So this is pretty much it. My hair is soft. It got body. It's not stiff. It got a lot of body. It's not stiff. It's straight. It's pretty straight. Like a whole different person with my hair straight. But yeah. Show the back. That's what it looks like. Body. I like this. I think this is worth the price. It could be improved. This part I like to hold, but it gets hot. It gets hot in general, just up here. I like that it has the detachables to switch it out. This, I love the grip that it gets on the hair. It's like grips it pretty good. I'll insert the price in the video of Hot Tools. Again, I love the color, purple and gold, royalty, you know. Yeah, it does get super hot. I cannot stress that enough. My ears, my hands, parts of my hair, fire, just on fire because how hot it gets. The cool is nice because it's cool and it blows out cool air and all the stuff, but when it gets high and it's hot, whoo, it gets hot. I like the width of both these. I feel like it covers a lot so I can finish my hair quicker. But yeah, I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.